Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a founder and the owner of the exotic, luxury, VIP and all those fancy words car rental fleet in Miami. We are called G.M.Luxe, and if you already rented a vehicle from us, then watch this video to get a tutorial of one of my female drivers to how to properly use this vehicle. If you have not rented from us, then please follow links down below this video and make a future reservation.
So today we have this baby with us, and I just wanted to show you a few things about this car that's going to be useful for you to know. So here's the key, and it has 3 buttons. So this button is to open up the car. You just press it once. This button is to close it up. You just press it once. And then this is to open up the trunk. So moving on to the next part, here is another function that you need to know, the keyless entry. So you can have the key in your hand or in your pocket, and it's going to automatically open. So the next part is how to turn the car on. The button's over here, and you just press on the brake and tap on the bottom, and the car is going to turn on. So after you turn the car on, all the controls are basically here on this side. The temperature controls is here, all of the seat ventilations, everything is over here. And the cruise control is here. So the temperature controls is over here on this dash with all the buttons over here. Seat ventilations is all here, and there's a magic button to extend the spoiler on the back is here. Make sure you hold the button until the spoiler comes out and comes back in. So all the driving controls is over here. So here is the button to switch up the driving modes: Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Individual, where you can customize your own mode. Engine, start, stop. This is how you start the engine, by pressing on the brake and pressing on the button. Stop, it's just that you press one time and the car is going to shut off. Here's the button to get a very loud exhaust when you're driving. This exhaust is going to be like you're driving on a Sport Plus, but the actual engine mode is not necessarily have to be on Sport Plus to get the sound. So this button is in automatic mode whenever you're driving on Comfort. Let's say if you're on a traffic light or in traffic, the engine is going to shut off by itself when you're not moving, just to save up some gas. For you to turn off that mode, you just press on this button. This button right here controls the media sound. Just to press on it, it's going to shut it off. Press on it again, it's going to turn on, and here's how you control the volume. Okay, so moving on to the next part, I'm going to show you guys how the drop top works, how it opens and how it closes. We have all the button controls over here, and one main one is the big one over here that opens and closes it. So for you to close it, you just pull that button down and make sure you keep on holding it, so for the button to keep on closing the roof. There we go. To open it back up, you just press that button and keep on pressing on the brake to open it up. There you go. So here I want to show you how the steering wheel control works. Here we have controls for the volume of the media. Here, if you're having any incoming calls, or you either decline it or accept it. On the left side, this part controls the dashboard. Here we're moving on to the next part. The lighting right now, it's automatic. If you want to turn it off or anything, you just switch it back up. If you want to turn it on, it's here. Right now it's automatic, so the car is going to sense when it's dark, so the lights are going to come on, and during the daytime, the lights are going to come off. To open up the trunk, there's only one button. You just press on this button and the trunk will open. To connect your phone to Bluetooth, simply press on the media, choose the Bluetooth audio, go to devices. If you want to connect new device, just press connect new device, Bluetooth audio device, press it, and afterwards you're going to be able to see and be Bluetooth on your phone. If your phone has already been paired, you just go down and find your phone, go to Bluetooth audio, and press on the button, and it's going to connect automatically. If for some reason, for any case, you would need to open up your hood, there's a button hidden over there that you just lift it up, and the hood is going to open.
Thank you for watching this video and for renting from us. If you still have questions, please contact us at any time. It was our pleasure to serve you, and we're looking forward to serve you again soon. Bye!